In what could come as a major boost for India and some of our sectors, China has reportedly lifted the export restrictions on fertilizers, on rare earth magnets and minerals, and tunnel boring machines to India. Now, this breakthrough follows India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar's meeting with Chinese counterpart Wang Li last month. Wang Li right now is on a 3-day visit to India. This report also coincides with or comes right ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's first visit to China in over 7 years since June 2018. Now remember, this news, of course, this is based on some of the media reports that's coming in. It's not confirmed or official announcement has not been made yet, but this news has already lifted the shares of fertilizers back home, the likes of Chambal Fertilizers, Coromandel, FACT, RCF, GSFC, Paradeep Phosphates. They're all up 1 to 3.5%, 4% each in trade today. Even auto companies, which usually get impacted with the disruption in rare earth, especially the EV related companies like Tata Motors, for instance, Samvardhan Motherson, Sona BLW, Hero. These are all the stocks that are actually jumping in trade today, anywhere between 1.5% to 4%. Now remember, China also controls 70 to 80% of the rare earth processing, and the earlier export ban, had actually disrupted in many ways our Rabi season by restricting diammonium phosphate supply. It delayed the tunnel boring machine shipments, impacting infra projects, and of course slowed down the demand and also created disruptions for the Indian electric vehicle makers as well. Now this seems like a good news. Once it's confirmed, it's going to be definitely a big breather.